Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Sign into the correct Microsoft account and make sure Windows Update is current. Next, check settings personalization start to ensure Start menu options aren't hiding apps. Once done, restart the PC to apply updates. This often restores missing icons. If apps still don't appear, open Settings apps to confirm they are installed. You're now ready to move into targeted rebuilding and permission fixes that address deeper Start menu indexing issues. You'll re-register app packages using PowerShell, run as administrator, and execute the re-registration command to rebuild the app database. This repairs corrupted package registrations. Then, clear the Start menu cache and tile metadata to force Windows to recreate shortcuts. Make sure File and Registry permissions allow your user account to read Start menu folders. Adjust ACLs if necessary. Once those steps finish, sign out and back in or restart Explorer. EXE so the system reindexes installed apps and repopulates the Start screen. Finish by repairing or reinstalling apps that still won't show. Use Settings apps or the Microsoft Store repair options. You can also create manual shortcuts in your Start menu program's folder to force visibility. Once shortcuts are in place, restart Explorer. EXE or reboot so Windows updates the Start index. If apps still disappear, run System File Checker and DISM to repair OS corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: create a new local user to determine if the issue is profile specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.